Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video I'll show you how to create a new board in Miro using the free version in 2025. Creating a new board is the first step to starting your projects, brainstorming ideas, or collaborating with your team. Step 1. Go to your Miro dashboard. This is where all your existing boards are displayed. On the top left corner, you'll see a button that says New Board. Click on it to start a blank board. Step 2. Once the new board opens, you can rename it by clicking on the title at the top. Type in a name that matches your project or topic. Step 3. If you prefer starting with a layout, click on the template button in the center of the screen. Miro offers templates for brainstorming, flowcharts, and many other uses. Select one to apply it instantly. Step 4. Your new board is now ready. You can start adding sticky notes, shapes, text, or images. Everything you do here is automatically saved, so you don't have to worry about losing your progress. And that's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.